We have received an order from Luco Pizzeria. Let's do some research. This might be the logo. There we have some more pictures. It has a white outline maybe. Let's check out some more videos. Yeah, white and maroon colors are used. So let's make it. First of all, we need to do some light burn. There we have designed their logo and the outline for the menu covers. First of all, we need to print the outline only. Logo we will print on a different kind of leather. So this might be the best for the cover. Looks good. And this maroon one is for the logo. Rest all hand over to my Facta. There we have the logos. We need to take out the letters. Background should be white. Take out this circle. We don't need this one. And do some edge beveling. Now it's time for bonding. Let's quickly do it. We need some kind of stiffeners so that covers can be made hard. Leather is flexible, but we need some kind of stiffness in the cover. We need to add an extra layer of leather. Remove the protective film. There we got our final product after some stitching.